Industrial hubs are at the centre of global trade. Take Grangemouth, where as much as 30% of Scotland's GDP moves through the port. That's 150,000 containers a year, carrying 9 million tonnes of food, building materials, oils and chemicals. Increasingly, global companies are picking strategic locations to bring together different industry strands.
We need the industrial hubs because we need to engage workers from every sector, cross sectors, not limit ourselves to negotiation and consultation within sectors.
You can travel to different places and it's very similar because you have the same situations. You have suppliers coming in and out of the refineries, you have transport going out of the refineries, chemical plants.
If you look at the containers behind, there's been numerous companies that not only make the products for those, but the packaging. Within their workplaces, they'll have cleaning staff, they'll have catering staff who maybe aren't in the collective bargaining, but they're within the supply chain. So why would we not organise those workers and make industrial strength within the whole supply chain?
Organising workers along supply chains and drawing strategic links between them regardless of their sector has become essential.
The industrial hub strategy centred around ports or anything else that we do gives us an opportunity to work with international trade unions like we've never had the opportunity before.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for us to instill a culture within young members which is automatically cross-sectoral, and if we can get more people involved with that certain mentality, we've got a very good chance of trying to reverse some of the decline we've had in trade union membership over the last 30 years.
We could just bring companies to a standstill and do whatever we need to do, and they would see us as a threat as opposed to just sort of giving us the token gestures that they actually do at the minute.
The Hubs programme started in the UK, but this isn't about one country or one region.
We definitely were going to see stronger hubs. We are going to see stronger workers working together domestically, regionally and globally.
Something that happens in the UK can have a knock-on effect in Ireland or further afield. And the globalisation, the fragmentation of workplaces needs to be tackled, and it needs to be tackled together.
Some of the same issues that are going on here in Grangemouth, same issues that we see in California, same issues they see on the Gulf Coast in Texas. It's everywhere. It's the same. They're the same companies worldwide.
We really have to work against these global supply chains the way they've organised, because there's only very few economic employers that control a lot of the production in food and drink and logistics and transport.
With the Industrial Hubs approach, workers are building collective power to influence decision-making along the supply chain. And together, there's no limit to what we can achieve.
The hubs won't just be port-based, there'll be a hospital might be a hub, a school might be a hub, a banking sector might be a hub. So the hub concept can transfer into any workplace.
The common goal is to try and defend and build on the rights and protections for ordinary working class people.
Organising through hubs is a key success for the future for us. You know, if we don't start now building our capacity and building our strength on those hubs, then employers are faster than us and we need to act fast.
It's got to be a success, you know, the more they get, you know, when you join forces together, you're a stronger force to be reckoned with.
Once you start meeting, once you start talking to people and you start to realize that everybody's on the same playing field. We're all fighting the same companies, and really we all need to work together more.
If we can get this up to the potential that it could be, I mean, it would be phenomenal. The trade union movement would just go, the power would be unbelievable.
Global trade relies on the supply chain, and the supply chain is us. We have a chance now to write the future of the trade union movement. Join us.